This is how you are. Wait, excuse me. No, man, just maybe let me deal with him.
Ma Josie, I'm still outside here. Oh. Okay, I should come later. Okay. This old woman, what is wrong with you? You are sorry.
I'm sorry, I'm calling my son.
You are calling your son, that is why you have to step on me.
I'm sorry, my dear. Sorry, I'm very sorry.
Sorry, Bugwageba, this old woman, you can't see. You can't see.
My son, why did you do this? Look at my phone.
Why wouldn't I do it?
This just before my son bought for me. Hey.
Your son Bugwagidia. I'm not somebody's son. Your son Bugwagidia. You have to step on me. Because you are answering from. All this old witch.
Look at this phone now. What did I do to this boy then? I didn't know when I matched on you. Oh, I didn't even see the number I'm looking for, the number of the house. Hey, now my phone is broken. How can I see my phone?
Hey, my Josie.
My
brother, I
hope all is well.
All is not well, my Josie. All is not well. Thank God that I met you here. All is not well. I just got a call now from home. My father is very sick and he's in the hospital now. So they are calling me from home that the doctor needed 100,000 for the treatment. She no come here, no get any money. Please, my brother, help me out. I need to rush home today. Please, my dear. You are the only hope now. You are the only person I know now that can help.
I'm giving you this money because of your father that is ill. If not, you remember what you did in my life.
Please, my dear. I said I'm sorry.
Let me just run quickly to my room and get you the money so that you can go save the sick man.
Hey! I don't play with my father. Anything I can do now to raise that money now, I have to do it.
Amazing.
Onyego. Hey! Thank you.
My son took me. Who is this person here?
Mama,
Is she your mother?
do you know her? I like 12. Mama, she is my. You know.
This is the guy that broke my foot.
That, like, I don't understand.
He's the person I was telling you about that insulted me. That nothing this guy didn't bring me on the way. He insulted hell out of me.
Hey!
He delayed my locating your house. I was looking scatter looking for the number of your house. This guy, there's nothing he didn't do me today.
Wait. Maisie, you mean you were the one that broke my mother's phone?
Ma Josie, I didn't know that.
Listen, excuse me. Do you know how this woman suffered just to locate me here? Just because her phone was broken. Not just that the phone was broken, but was broken by you.
I didn't know. It's one of those things.
Hey! So you valued your father this way, and you do not have regard to other people's mother. Is that how you are doing business? This is how you are. This is how you are. Wait, excuse me. No, man, just maybe let me deal with him.
2 wrongs cannot make a right. Leave it.
Oh, Josie, I'm very sorry. I didn't know she.
Where is she go?
I didn't know she.
She go!
No, you have to respect every elder.
Chico! Where is this guy? Chico! Come here. Where were you? I was. You see this guy? I don't want to see this guy in this compound. Drive him away right away. I thought it's your friend. Take this guy away here. Oga, I brought out.